Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Explorer. I'm here on the Norwegian Prima. Let's take you out on the go-kart track and give it a go. So we are all ready for go-karting. We booked it for 2 o'clock this afternoon, and I'm excited because they said I can bring my GoPro on the go-kart as long as I have a chest strap, which I did bring, so I'm excited about that.
We booked this yesterday when we got on the ship. I highly recommend if it's something that you want to do, that you look into it the first day, because you are required to make reservations, and it is $15 per person.
The Prima Speedway can be accessed from deck 18 above the buffet. They also have a viewing area for those who just want to watch. Now the recommended minimum age is 10, and drivers do need to be over 55 inches tall, under 82 inches, and under 300 pounds. And these are electric go-karts.
Excited for this?
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Yeah, it's a multi-story track and it looks pretty cool.
Just so you know, I'm not very competitive, so you're probably gonna go faster than me.
Okay, I'll try. It's pretty cool though. You can see the cars up here. And over there's guns that you can shoot the cars with, which give them a little boost.
Oh, you got one. Pass this new one for me.
Nice hat.
Nice hat. I think I paid $2 hat though.
Well, we are back. That was a ton of fun. A 3-story go-kart track on a cruise ship.
It was a lot of fun. It did get a little warm standing in line, especially when they give you the balaclava to put on. Of course, I put it on right away and it got a little hot standing in line because we had to wait for quite a while. So about the time it took us, we checked in, they go up and you watch a safety video. It was probably 15 minutes before we got in the go-kart. And I think the whole thing took us about an hour.
Yeah,
so plan
including
ahead.
being a little bit early, but yeah. So
it was a lot of fun.
It was a ton of fun. I think not a bad value either, $15.
Yeah.
We were probably out there, I want to say about 8 minutes or so.
I think so.
Yeah.
It was fun.